Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be showing you how to get this look with just a few simple steps. So if you want to see how I achieve this, continue watching. Jumping straight into this brown nude palette by BLACKUP, I'll be using this shade right here, which is number 5, on a medium tapered blending brush. Putting it right in the crease, kind of above, because I do have hooded lids. And girl, we got to make these eyes look as big as possible. Going back and forth, circular motions, trying to blend it out. And then I like to use a big, large, fluffy brush so it can further diffuse everything. And yes, it took away from the color, but I'll be adding that same color right back in and blending it right back out. This is the Flash Color Palette, also by BLACKUP. I'll be using this purple shade, which is number 6. And yes, it's a shimmery shade, so I'll just keep it right in the pocket of the crease. But I'll be also topping it with another shade, which is from Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors. This palette is bomb. All their palettes like this are amazing. So I'll be using that deep plum shade right over top of that shimmery number 6 purple shade by BLACKUP. And then just keep adding and blending until you're happy with what you have. And we'll be moving to the lid. I'll be using my Dose of Colors highlight in Melonade on the lid. Yes, I use everything for multiple purposes because, girl, I'm about to get it all popping. Now with my MAC Reflex Gold glitter. But you have to be careful with this because it's a super, super fine glitter. It's not chunky at all, but we'll be adding this to the outer corner. Now with my Power Immortal Kajal by Palladio, I'll be using this to tightline, and I love, love, love this because it's super black, it glides, it doesn't tug on your eyes at all. So we'll be doing the tight lining so you can't see any of the skin, camouflage, all that, girl, because we don't need to see any of that in 2018, okay? So going in with my Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in the shade Caramel, where we'll be highlighting with that. Yeah, girl, looking real crazy, but now we weren't. So let's set that. Now I'll be setting this with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder right under, and I'll let it bake for just a little bit, and I'll be brushing that right off because leaving it on for too long, for me, I don't know about anybody else, but for me, can be deathly. So back with that Melonade shade, I'll be using that as a top for my cheekbones to highlight. And now I'll be using my MAC Ambering Rose blush for the apples of these cheeks, girl. Now is the perfect time to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you're doing with your makeup differently in 2018. Also, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Yep, that button right there. Don't forget it. I'll be waiting. Moving on to lips, I'll be using my Plum Lip Liner by MAC Cosmetics, fully outlining the lip and the inner corners just for dimension. Simple and easy. Now onto the Snuggle is Real collection by Dose of Colors. In this specific color, Let's Cuddle, which is a gorgeous, like a peach brown nude. Get it, girl? Now just tap it on and we'll be blending this out with a brush. Doing that and also pressing your lips together help a lot with blending out any harsh lines of the lip liner connecting to the liquid lipstick. So now onto gloss in the shade Bellini by Dose of Colors. I just put that right over top, and that's the end of it, guys. So, serve the looks. If you guys are inspired by this look and take any pictures, tag me on Instagram. I want to see what you guys come up with and how you rock it. So, till next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!